Hi guys! So today we're starting a new series where I style one clothing item in many different ways. I asked you guys on Instagram what you want to see first and everybody said jeans! So we're starting with a basic pair of skinny jeans. I haven't taken any fancy jeans. I thought the simpler the better. Just basic high-waisted skinny jeans, and we're going to show you some different looks. Let's begin. First up, we have my favorite look with skinny jeans, which is a nice sporty, funky, everyday look. So this is great when you're traveling. It's great for a casual day out. I love to pair my skinny jeans with sneakers, roll them up a bit, wear a nice cool t-shirt, maybe with something written on it or a cool print. And my favorite accessory to pair with this, the bum bag. Who said jeans can't be dressy? If you're looking for something feminine, girly, but still dressy and not too dressy, I would say pair your jeans with a nice feminine top like this, and it's the perfect date night outfit. Now, if you want to go desi for the day, I have a solution for you as well. I love to pair my kurtas with jeans and fun kolhapuris and accessories. It gives it a desi vibe, but it's still funky. Like, you don't have to go the whole hog with a dupatta and like plazos or like a churidar. The jeans just make it casual and cool. For all my working ladies, the next look is a corporate look. Now, obviously you could wear like a shirt with jeans, and that's obviously the easiest thing to wear to office. But for me, nothing says boss lady like a nice blazer. So I have lots of blazers, sleeveless blazers, sleeve blazers, and I feel like that gives you the confidence to really be a boss lady, along with some killer accessories. Make sure you have a cool handbag that stands out but is big enough to hold all your stuff. Up next, we have one of my favorite looks, which is a perfect look for a girls' night out. A nice fun crop top with jeans so you can party all night long. Also, does anyone remember this crop top? I DIY'd this like ages ago. Now it's time for everyday casual looks. I have 3 different distinct looks for you guys. The first one is a nice girly feminine top. Just a nice fringed bag and some heels, just casual, great for brunch, great for lunch, and basically anywhere. The next one is a little interesting. If you're looking for a complete boho vibe, you can pair a maxi dress with slits on the side like I have, with a lot of shell accessories, a bum bag. This is an easy, casual, bohemian kind of vibe with jeans. And the last look is one of my new favorites. So it's a really cool lace bodysuit that I'm wearing with jeans. You can also throw on a jacket if you find this a little too naked for you, with some nice clear accessories. Just funky, fun, young, and fresh. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, check out my last video here, subscribe here, and don't forget to comment with what we should do for the next how-to. What do you want to see me style? See you guys, bye.